Fjadrargljufur Canyon in Iceland is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts considerable attention from tourists and travel enthusiasts. Located in the southeastern part of Iceland, this stunning canyon offers visitors a unique experience. Fjadrargljufur Canyon is characterized by steep cliffs, lush greenery, and a winding river flowing through its depths. It stretches for about 2 kilometers and reaches depths of up to 100 meters, making it an impressive sight. The canyon is gaining popularity among tourists for its spectacular scenery and opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking and photography. Visitors can explore the canyon's trails, which offer panoramic views of the surrounding area and allow them to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of Iceland. Those who have had the opportunity to visit Fjadrargljufur Canyon often describe it as a truly mesmerizing sight. The combination of impressive cliffs, colorful vegetation, and a calm river creates a serene atmosphere that leaves a lasting impression on all who go here.